All right, guys, here's the revised drawings. These are measurements off last time I was out there. Our only change is the pantry wall. Our estimated pantry opening was 19 inches from the pantry door, the right side of that opening, to the fridge leg. So we could slide this over the fridge, and then these two cabinets would get wider. The hood would move to the left, and the cooktop would move to the left. So our unknown at that time was that pantry door. But if that's put in place, I can get new measurements for that and rework this if we're going to move it around. And this wall stayed the same for the double ovens and the warming drawer. The sink is set back. This island's 78 inches long, and I have about 44 inches in between here and 3 feet from the corner to here. The bar, this cabinet's 24 wide. It's an inch and a half off the inside of this wall. It has to be 24 deep because of the beverage fridge. And this wall is only 21. So we're just going to have to finish corner piece here on the left side, which will match this corner. Drawer stack in the middle and your beverage fridge. And also, you guys will have all the elevation drawings, which is this here, to take a look at. All right, thanks.